Poshan Mah 2021 and Matru Bandhana Saptah were celebrated across the nation throughout the month of September on weekly themes to ensure focused and assimilated approach towards improving holistic nutrition of children, pregnant women, lactating mothers, adolescent girls, etc. The main objective was to ensure community mobilization with a series of activities. Hi everyone, here I am sharing some slides of the activities done by our field level staffs, Angonadi workers and Angonadi helpers in Pushanma September 2021 and Matubandana Saptah with a little explanation of the activities for those who are not aware about the schemes and services related to these activities. These are implemented by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India and the Department of Social Welfare, Assam. It's just a small effort on my part to make people aware about the services as much as possible so that willing people can avail these services from our platform. These slides are from my working place Roha sector under Kopili ICDS project of district Morigao, state Assam in India. And before starting, I want to thank all the Angonadi workers and Angonadi helpers of Roha sector because of whom I have been able to make this video. Okay, let's start the video. MVS is purely on the scheme PMMVY, full form Pradhan Mantri Matru Bandhana Yojana. The scheme has been started by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Under this scheme, a cash incentive of rupees 5,000 is provided directly to the bank account of pregnant women and lactating mothers for first living child of the family, subject to fulfilling specific conditions relating to maternal and child health. These activities were done to make feel PMMVY beneficiary happy and honored, as well as campaigns in different levels done to create awareness so that maximum number of beneficiaries enroll under the scheme. Poshan Bhatika. The plantation drive for promotion of Nutri Gardens in the space available at Angonadi centers, school premises, cow panchayats and other places. The drive motivated the community people to come forward for planting the trees to save our planet after knowing its importance. Kitchen gardens in Angonadi center premises will help the children of the centers to get fresh, pure air, as well as will be able to provide the beneficiaries fresh fruits and vegetables from these gardens. Yoga is the main mantra to keep yourself fit mentally and physically. Yoga practice done to keep fit pregnant women, lactating mothers, children, adolescent girls, Angonadi workers and helpers along with many others. Recipe competition. A competition among the Angonadi workers was arranged and judged on the basis of nutrition on the food item for pregnant women and lactating mothers, especially with locally available nutritious food, so that Angonadi workers can arrange and advise our beneficiaries to take those types of food. Regional Nutrition Kit. These kits were distributed among the beneficiaries along with advocacy on IEC materials like iron, zinc, folic acid tablets to pregnant women, sanitary napkins to adolescent girls, along with many posters, banners, newspaper publications, etc. Quiz competition arranged among pregnant women, lactating mothers, Angonadi workers and helpers on PMMVY and Poshan Mah. Poshan rally for mass people awareness about Poshan Abhiyan. Shishu Mangal Divas. Demonstration with description of locally available healthy food for pregnant women, lactating mothers and children. Events like Matri Amrit, Pratham Ahar, etc. for sensitizing community on exclusive breastfeeding up to 6 months and complementary feeding of the children. Sensitization on health and hygiene through various activities like street play, storytelling, art competition, along with famous folk dance, Bihu, Tiwa and many more. Breastfeeding by a corona-infected mother. WHO and UNICEF recommend that mothers with suspected or confirmed COVID-19 should be encouraged to initiate or continue to breastfeed with proper precautions. These include 3 Ws: wear a mask during feeding, wash or sanitize hands before and after touching the baby, wipe and disinfect the surfaces regularly to protect your child from catching the dangerous virus which spreads through close contact, not through breast milk. Identification of SAM children. Malnourished children were identified by taking weight and height of the children below 5 years. If it's severe, then either they were referred to Nutrition Rehabilitation Center, that is NRC, or nearest health facility. If the parents do not want to send the child because of their personal reason, in that case the child is managed by CMM, that is by Anganwadi worker, ASHA, ANM, who consistently monitor the child, counsel the parents, along with giving antibiotics and extra healthy food till the child's weight become normal.
এই পোষণ মাহ 2021ত আমি শপত গ্ৰহণ কৰিলো এইটো মাহত যিবোৰ কাম কৰিছো বা আগৰ পৰা কৰি আহিছো সেইবোৰ কাম গোটেই বছৰ জুৰি নিষ্ঠা সহকাৰে পালন কৰি যাম আৰু আমাৰ দেহক পুষ্টিহীন মুক্ত কৰি গঢ়ি তুলিম ধন্যবাদ
All these activities were carried out by the Social Welfare Department along with the participants from our line departments like health, education, panchayat, NGOs, self-help groups and community people. During this COVID era, all the Anganwadi centers of Assam as well as India are closed, for which non-formal preschool education to the children 3 to 6 years is not being given in the Anganwadi centers. But preschool education is given through home visit now and then. Apart from this, our ground level staffs, Anganwadi workers and helpers have been doing their duties wholeheartedly, tirelessly the entire year, even during the peak of Corona. I am mentioning few jobs among the many that they have been carrying out. Through home visit, they disseminate the awareness about frequent hand wash, wearing mask, social distancing, avoiding overcrowded places, asking if there is anybody who had a travel history during first lockdown. It's done. If there is anybody who has cough, fever, etc. Recently, most importantly, requesting people to come forward to get vaccinated as early as possible, helping disabled and old-aged persons to get vaccinated smoothly, carrying out survey on COVID-19 vaccination, attending vaccination camps and many more. Village Health, Sanitation and Nutrition Day. A village level healthcare provided once in every month at the Anganwadi centers or nearby sub-centers along with health department. On this day, immunization of children, antenatal and postnatal checkups, providing micronutrients, group discussions, etc. done. It's a platform where ASHA, ANM, MPW, Anganwadi workers and helpers, beneficiaries, Gabudha, GP member, etc. remain present under a single roof. Hot cooked meal and take-home ration. The food provided by the department to 6 months to 6 years children, pregnant women and lactating mothers, adolescent girls are being distributed at the doorsteps of the beneficiaries so that they can get this supplementary nutrition in addition to their normal diet. Door-to-door campaign and collection of PMMVY forms so that not a single beneficiary get deprived from any installment among the 3 installments of the scheme PMMVY. This is the most important task of our department. Anganwadi workers and helpers measure height and weight through home visit at the doorsteps of the beneficiaries so that they can identify SAM, MAM, severely underweight and moderately underweight children and follow up by giving them extra care if there is any necessity to eradicate malnourishment from our country. Let me take this moment to appreciate our frontline warriors, Anganwadi workers and Anganwadi helpers.
Aha sunaha kan pati khuna kumami pukhonor dorkari kotha kumami pukhonor dorkari kotha aha sunaha